Important. We have upgraded the app to control 1 to 4 sets rock lights with one phone. In order to avoid not connecting issue, PLS be sure to download the app by scanning the QR code from the instruction. The new app is named Mic Light or MICTUNING. UL certificate, safe to use. RGB multicolors DIY effect high power. As long as you install the app, you can set your own lighting scenarios in advance by adjust the change speed, brightness and stroboscopic speed. With upgraded app which can control 2 to 4 sets of rock lights together and change colors with shaking your phone. 2nd Gen Bluetooth controlled music mode, compatible with iOS 7 or Android 4.2 above, perfectly suits to install on your motorcycle, off-road truck, car, boat, dome, etc. IP68 waterproof rock-solid construction, die-cast aluminum housing with toughed glass, shockproof, dustproof, rustproof. 2 types of mounting pads included, for easy wiring assembly and connection to the lamp's cree. Extremely easy installation. Scan the QR code on user manual or control box to download the app for installation, following the instruction and connect the Bluetooth device to set your own lighting effect. Search for MICTUNING RGB Rock Light app on YouTube for how to connect. Caution. Professional installation highly recommended. Top reviews from the United States. They seem good so far. I put them on a 2022 Sportsman Highlifter. They were real easy to install, just wish the wires were shorter. Had to roll the extra up and hide it.